Yan no, nadala ko yung kulambo, binili ng nanay ko. Nagkabukol oh. Nagkabukol yan eh. Oh. Ayan no, may bukol. Nagka-diarrhea si Mister.
Like this.
And he lost a lot of weight. I think 10 pounds, right?
Yeah.
Diba? Sino ka dyan? Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Pupunta kami ngayon ng T-Mobile dahil mag-upgrade ako ng phone, guys. iPhone 17 Pro. Ayoko ng iPhone Max kasi malaki siya. So, yun. Gusto din ni Mister na mag-upgrade ako. You want me to upgrade my phone now?
You can if you want.
No,
It's up to you.
Do you want?
It's completely up to you.
No, is it better?
I mean, the 17 is better.
Yeah. Pero sabi niya kanina mag-upgrade ka na. I don't see any reason kung bakit di daw ako mag-upgrade. Ayan no, nadala ko yung kulambo. Binili ng nanay ko. Nagkabukol oh. Nagkabukol yan eh. Oh. Ayan no, may bukol.
You don't need to upgrade if you don't want to.
I think, let me see. Let's go there and check. Kasi I use my phone for vlogging din, guys. I use it for everything, like uploading videos. And I love the iPhone in terms of like video, yung vlogging, ganun. Kasi gusto ko yung quality ng camera niya. And si Travis is gonna switch to Samsung kasi he don't want iPhone no more. So, ayaw niya na ng iPhone kasi daw. Ewan ko. Bakit? Ako naman kasi okay sa akin yung iPhone. It depends talaga sa user talaga. User is the problem talaga, babe.
No.
Ah! Come here, baby. Say hi to them.
iPhone is super glitchy.
Say hi to them. Say hi. Nakaraos din kami sa birthday ni Ellie kahapon, guys. And may nagbigay sa kanya ng gift, oh. Gustong-gusto niya to. Ito kasi yung nilalaro niya sa simbahan. So, natuwa ako kasi, di ba, bihira din si Elling parang magtagal sa toys. Pero ito kasi, maganda siya. Hindi siya makalat. So, ayan. Yan lang yung niya. Yung barn na niya, toy niya, nagsawa na agad siya. Akala ko nung una, magiging siya doon. Pero, tinanggal-tanggal niya yung mga animals. Tapos ito, sana matagalan niya din. Bagay mga bata kasi sa una lang din talaga, no? Pero tignan natin kasi medyo siya eh. Marami kasi siyang pwedeng gawin. Ayan. Activities, siya. Activity cube. Ba tawag dyan? What do you call this? Activity what?
Cube. Yeah.
Oh, cube. Ganun. Punta kami ng T-Mobile. And by the way, I want to tell you something about our trip when we were there in the Philippines. Nagka-diarrhea si Mister.
Like this.
And he lost a lot of weight. I think 10 pounds, right?
Yeah.
So, tell them about, like, what happened.
So we were eating at a ramen place, and the ramen
Yes.
was really good. And naturally, it was served with water.
Yeah.
And I typically have a bottle of water with me, but I didn't. And so I guess just by habit, I took a sip
Of
of
the water. And we drink it all. The
And,
water.
I don't think I drank all of mine, but I think you drank most of mine. And I was only taking a sip. And I was like, okay, I should be good.
Right.
And it wasn't good. The water made me terribly sick.
Yeah, so for the last 2 days
I was
ng stay
super
namin, he was really sick.
And I just
he keeps pooping.
got over it. It's been 5 days.
Yeah, he don't wanna eat or do anything because his stomach is always like...
Knots.
Yeah, tapos he feels like he needs to go. But every time he goes to the bathroom, there's nothing that you can, poop.
I had a fever for like 3 or 4 days.
Ellie. But I'm thankful Ellie didn't even get sick while we were there because it's gonna be really hard for us kapag nagkasakit siya doon. Kasi I'm seeing a lot of kids every time they travel to the Philippines, came from other country like Europe or US, dito rin. Tapos, every time na mag-travel sila sa Pinas, tawag niyan, nagkakasakit yung anak nila. Kaya, niready ko rin yung self ko na magbaon ng mga any medicine from here in case na magkaroon si Ellie. Pero,
Gentle.
pero pinagdadasal talaga namin na hindi. Pero, lang din, in case lang na, yun nga, yung worst case scenario, meron kaming parang gamot na dala, or bibili na lang siguro in case na Pero, thank God hindi siya talaga nagkasakit, guys. And super happy kami kasi na-enjoy ni Ellie yung stay namin doon. Although kahit na maliit pa siya, hindi niya pa talaga maalala. Pero good thing we're vlogging it para paglaki niya meron siyang makitang mga videos, ganun. So, anyways, if you guys are planning to travel to Philippines with your husband and if this is their first time to go there, maybe try to consider buying a bottle of water for them. And make sure every time you go to the restaurant, you have
A bottle.
a bottle of water. We bought Wilkins water, but it's only in the condo that we rented. Doon lang talaga siya nakaano. Pero wala kaming yung bottle water na dinadala every time na kakain kami sa labas. So, yun yung mistake namin. And sinabihan na rin kami ng friend namin dito na nagbakasyon sa Pinas. Nagka-diarrhea rin siya before. And she said, don't drink water, you know, from there because
Or
your
ice.
stomach is not used to the water in the Philippines. Especially my husband, hindi pa siya nakaano talaga sa Pinas, yung water doon. But, hindi rin naman ako nagkaano siguro, syempre, galing ako ng Pinas. Pero may iba na tumira na dito sa US, tapos mga ilang years na sila dito, tapos bumalik, nagkakaroon din ng problem every time they drink the water in the Philippines. Kasi nga, yung ano natin, body natin, parang nag-a-adjust. Iba na rin kasi yung nakasanayan, di ba? So, yun lang. Another tip lang, no, just in case na, yun. Kasi baka ayaw namin mangyari sa inyo, yun lang. Parang paalala lang din sa mga magbabakasyon kasama yung asawa ninyo. And para sa baby nyo na rin, na make sure meron kayong
They don't drink it either.
water, yung good water for them. Kasi ako feeling ko kasi naman talaga hindi ako magkakasakit na about do sa water. Kasi no, kahit nga nandun ako sa Bahrain, wala naman problema, ininom ko yung water nila doon. Wala naman akong problema. Pero who knows, you never know, 'di ba? Para na rin sa kalusugan natin and sa family natin. So yun, we will go to T-Mobile now. You ready? Nagkaroon ng bukol si Madam. Kakulitan. Oh, yan o, yan yung bukol niya. Oh. Kausap ko yung tita niya kanina. Sabi ng tita niya, hindi yan nagkabukol dito, but when you get there to US, nagkabukol daw siya. Sabi ni Carlene, yung kapatid ko, sabi niya, ano ba yan? Anong nangyari? Kasi 'di ba, sa Pinas hindi siya nagano, kahit patakbo-takbo rin yan sa Pinas. Nagaano rin yan siya, malikot na kasi talaga si Ellie, guys. So kanina naglalaro siya dito, akala ko yung daddy niya binabantayan. Kasi ako, nagnap ako kanina. Kasi ito si Travis, palis na siya, papuntang work. Sabi ko, bantay mo muna si Ellie. Magnap ako saglit. Kasi sobrang aga namin nagising. Tapos yun, pagkagising ko, may bukol na. Hi Kinsley. Good girl si Kinsley Na-miss namin si Kinsley, guys. Sobrang excited siya pag-uwi namin. So, by the way, ang nagbantay pala kay Kinsley is yung tita ni Travis habang wala kami dito, no? So, yun. She's a good girl naman daw.
She needs a bath.
She needs a bath. Look at my baby. She's big now. High five!
Kinsley, hand
Yay! Good girl!
A few moments later.
Okay, guys. Nandito na kami sa T-Mobile. So, ito ata yung Pro Max. Laki. Ayoko na malaki. Ito yung Pro yata. Wait lang, tingnan mo. Tama ba? Ito. Tama, iPhone 17. Tapos, ito yung Pro. So, tingnan natin yung camera. Tingnan natin camera. Ninaw din siya. Tingnan natin yung specs. Camera. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung ano. Ito yung mga picture. Taray. Ba?
We have the
Ito kami, guys. Ito yung T-Mobile dito sa loob. Ito yung favorite namin puntahan. Kasi mababait yung mga staff. Tapos guys, si Travis naman, mag-switch siya sa S26 Ultra. Ang ganda malaki. Kaso malaki. It's big. Let me see
Really?
the ano. I feel like it's bigger.
Like, put my phone next to it.
Maganda rin kasi yung ano.
The same size.
No, because you have the big case too.
Oh,
This is bigger. Maganda rin camera nito eh. Ano, tignan natin. Tignan natin kabila. Oh, wait lang. Ito yung S26 Ultra. Oh, ang ganda oh. Ellie, ay, look at the camera, babe. It's very clear. Wow. Look. Look.
Yeah, it's crystal
Oh my
clear.
gosh. That's really nice. Ellie.
But you don't want that one?
No, I want iPhone still. Hala, oh, ang ganda.
Clear.
Very clear.
Yeah, and because this
So how
one.
many gigabytes are you gonna get? 256?
Yeah, that's all we need. Look, see, this one's got UHD, and then you can do this for like steady.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Ito yung case.
And like safe ones.
I'm not probably gonna get a case, but maybe just the protector.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so I can't trade my phone right now and upgrade it to 17 Pro because I have to do it online, right?
And it
babe?
has to be ordered because
Online.
that's I don't know. That's kind of silly, but
Yeah.
that's the way they need to do it.
Kasi, dito kasi, kapag ka mag-upgrade ka, tapos meron kang old phone, pwede mo siya i-trade dun sa may, ano mismo, sa like kung anong network, ano ka, Verizon, T-Mobile, ganon. Pero right now, so, it's better for me to upgrade because we're gonna pay less, right? Our monthly will be less. Kasi, yung 16 Pro ko pala,
We're gonna upgrade.
ang payment namin is mas mataas.
We have the
I got a
program.
ton of questions this weekend.
We have the program where we get the free upgrades because we're on the jump program.
Right,
so-
that's why we're keeping that plan or that program kasi mas better kaysa i-paid off mo siya. Kasi yung first phone ko, pinaid off namin yun, pero nag-upgrade ako, tapos kailangan monthly magbabayad
Are we
na
going
lang.
to Emart?
Yes. Magbabayad na lang kasi mas better daw. Tapos ngayon, mas better na mag-upgrade ako sa 17 Pro kasi mas less yung babayaran namin. So yun. Kaya dito guys, madalas talaga dito, yung phone, it's either yung, alam mo yun, kapag ka yearly nag-upgrade talaga sila, tapos nagbabayad sila ng monthly plan, dun sa kunyari sa T-Mobile, Verizon, ganyan. Pwede kang bumili ng phone through iPhone mismo na ganun, pero mag-aano ka pa rin, you still need the like monthly connection or plan, 'di ba? What will happen if you buy it through iPhone? How are you gonna have the network?
You'll have to
like,
you'll have to do like the eSIM download and all that
Right.
stuff, but you can still jump on the network but you just have to be able to do
You're still gonna pay plan, like, you know?
yeah.
So, ganun pa din. The same pa din. Kaya, ang ginawa talaga namin, nag-ano na lang kami sa T-Mobile, ganyan. Kasi, nasa magandang ano rin naman kami, yung plan, yung ganun. Because our plan is better plan na every year I can upgrade, ganun. Tapos, yun, pwede ring palitan ng screen protector. Kasi nag-purchase din kami ng insurance para sa screen protector. Wala, sorry madilim. Sa screen protector para in case na mabasag or masira yung ano namin, screen protector. Pwede nilang palitan anytime. Unlimited, kahit araw-araw pwede mong palitan.
We use them a
So, yun. Ayun, madalas sa kanya nababasag eh. Wait lang, there's no light here. So, ayun, hindi ko pa siya maano ngayon, guys. But, online namin ipapurchase yung phone. Kaya, mag-wait na lang siguro ako. Okay lang. Di naman ako nagmamadali eh. Pero, ang iniisip nito, mas less yung babayaran namin monthly. So, how much are we paying right now for this phone? Like, every month?
Like that phone, it's an extra $20 a month.
Yeah, so if I switch to iPhone 17, we're only gonna pay $8.
It's
$8.
change. Yeah.
Instead of 29, 'di ba? Kaya mas better
20.
daw na
Instead of 20. Yep.
Kaya mas better daw na mag-upgrade na daw ako agad. 'Di ba? Kasi yung promotion daw ng iPhone 16 ko is bad promotion, kaya ganoon. 'Di ba may mga ganun pa, no? So ayun guys, punta kami ng E-Mart ngayon. And babalitaan ko na lang kayo kapag nakuha ko na yung phone.
Does that lane keep going straight?
Yeah, I think so. So yun guys, punta kami ng E-Mart ngayon at mamimili ng pang sinigang. So we'll see you later. Hi guys, welcome back. So, dumating na after 2 days, babe.
Yeah, only took 2 days.
It only took 2 days, guys. So, in-order namin siya online. Dumating na yung phone kong bago, yung iPhone 17 Pro. Kaya hindi ako nagpo-Pro Max kasi malaki. Gusto ko lang yung Pro kasi yung Pro Max medyo malaki siya. Malaki talaga siya, guys. Ayoko yung kasi itong phone ginagamit ko siya pang vlog kasi mas madali at saka lagi mong dala, 'di ba? Hindi kasi ako gumagamit ng mga camera pang vlog. Ito lang talagang phone. Although meron kaming camera na pang vlog, yun yung ginagamit ni Travis sa channel niya. Pero ako kasi, ayoko yung may mga camera eme. Kasi nga, film vlogger lang. Char! So, ayan, open na natin, guys. Dumating siya kanina, ang bilis. Ooh! Look at that. Ay, may ano pa pala. May paganto-ganto pa. Sino ka dyan? So, yung kinuha ko is yung orange. Yung orange. Kasi hindi ko bet yung hindi ko sana kukunin yung orange. Kaso, wala na silang ibang kulay. Di tulad nung 16 Pro, they have tons of colors that you can choose. May mga magagandang color siya, guys, na magaganda. So, may mga magagandang color siya na pwede mong pagpilian. Pero ito kasing 17 Pro, 3 lang yung kulay, blue, gray, at saka itong orange. Tapos, meron din siya nito. Okay, so USB-C to, di ba, babe? Right? Is this
USB-C? Yeah.
Yeah. So, meron din siyang cord na pero yung adapter, meron naman ako. So, ito na siya, guys. Taray. Bihira ako unbox. Char! Ayan. And then, open natin. May hindi pala, pala gumagana. Charot. Open natin. Ang syala ng camera, pag ganyan. Diba? Sino ka dyan? Kasi wala pa tong screen protector, right? It doesn't have screen protector.
No,
So, do we have to go to T-Mobile?
you'll have to go, yeah.
Okay. So, English. Char. Isi-set up ko muna siya, guys. And, ayun, nakuha ko na yung phone ko. Mas madali rin pala kapag ka-in-order mo siya online, eh. For some reason, hindi kami pwedeng sa store. Kasi nga, what happened again? Why I can't?
It's different because I guess that the way they do it for their upgrades is different because of our plan. Versus like if you own your phone, you can just trade it in at the store. But because we do the yearly upgrade,
Okay. Yeah,
they
kasi
said
may
we had
year.
to order it, and then you do it right through the order, like the online system.
Right. Kasi meron kaming yearly upgrade, guys. Kaya ganun. So, every year, pwede ako mag-upgrade ng kung anong bagong phone. So, yun guys. Yun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!